Ladies and gentlemen, today we are here at the Magic Kingdom to celebrate the 10K mark on TikTok. We're pretty excited about that. You know, we've been grinding for about a year and a half. So let's go ahead and enjoy the park and show you guys everything it has to offer today. So the first thing we are heading into today is going to be Tomorrowland. I do want to go ahead and ride on the PeopleMover, probably one of the best rides in the land. I'm also a big fan of Space Mountain. I know some people think that Disneyland Space Mountain is better, but I'm a fan of ours. You know, it's a pretty crowded day at the Magic Kingdom when Buzz Lightyear is 40 minutes. However, the PeopleMover is only 15 minutes, so that's not too bad. And as usual, when we come to the theme parks, we change our plans last minute. So we're not doing PeopleMover. We're going to go eat some food at Pinocchio's. All right, so we ended up sitting down at Friar's Nook and just getting the bacon mac and cheese hot dog with some tater tots. And we got this caramel ham pie with apple pie. All right, so we are eating currently like the caramel ham pie, and this literally tastes just like a candle. Like, if they went ahead and they got a cinnamon candle, this is what it should be. All right, so we finished the mac and cheese hot dog and the ham pie. In my opinion, the mac and cheese hot dog was okay. It was like a 7.5, probably like an 8. You know, it's not bad for a hot dog, right? It's just a hot dog. But the ham pie tasted like straight up like a candle, like a cinnamon candle. And then the other flavors you couldn't really taste too much, like the apple was good and stuff, but it was a lot. It was like overwhelming. If you like the taste of a candle, then you could probably get it. But in my opinion, you know, honestly, skip it if you want. I wouldn't get it again, but it's okay. All right, so we're gonna head on into Storybook Circus to see what souvenirs they got inside the store. Usually you can find some pretty good stuff here. It's kind of hidden, so let's go check it out. As soon as you walk in, you see the Disney Eats collection that just came out. You see right here is like kind of like a popcorn bag. I'm not sure if it's Loungefly or not. They also have this little Mickey candy apple sipper as well, and they got some new merch. They have this little popcorn handle that's kind of like animated, and then I think this is all for kids. They only have like in kid sizes, but they do have the new snack pattern around. And if you're also a fan of the snacks, they do have the Spirit jersey right here that says Disney World in the back, so that's pretty nice. All right, so actually in here they do still have some of the Disney 100 items at 50% off, which is pretty cool. They have the hat, they have the sweatpants that match the hoodie that my girlfriend's wearing. They also have the Crocs over here as well. Again, all these are 50% off. If you have the annual pass, you get an extra 20% off, which is nice. And they also have a throw blanket with the same similar pattern as the hoodie. There's also this Mickey ice cream sandwich Disney Eats plush, and it has a vanilla scent to it, so that's cool. They also have this Disney Eats fanny pack as well, and they have a Disney Eats shirt. And they have this gray shirt as well. And finally, for the Disney Eats collection, again, this one's actually for Spirit jersey. They have a bucket hat with the sprinkles and the snacks on them. And if you're a fan of Crocs, they do have Disney Eats Crocs, and then they also have those giblets attached to them. This button down shirt that's also Disney Eats themed. All right, so they have these hot dog bookends, which are honestly kind of weird. I don't know why anyone would want that. And finally, for your dog, they also have the Disney Apple doghouse. And we are currently in front of Gaston's Tavern. Never been inside the gift shop, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so we went ahead and hopped in. It was just a bunch of princess gifts and stuff and like souvenirs, so didn't really care for it. This could have been us, but we chose Storybook Friar instead. Ever since they added the Hatbox Ghost, it's like crazy that the Haunted Mansion is just so packed. It's insane. Look at this. The line goes all the way back there. I mean, I don't know if just Disney World is super packed right now, because we were at Epcot yesterday and the lines like for every single booth was insane. But yeah, this is the back of the line for Haunted Mansion. It just I wonder if it's the Hatbox Ghost, the movie, but it's pretty packed. And just to let you guys know that this is completely free over here in Frontierland, the Frontierland Shooting Arcade. Go ahead and you get basically unlimited shots. You just got to find a spot. Go ahead and get a little arcade game in. And because we are Disney pin collectors, we're gonna head on into the Frontier Trading Post to see what we can find. So this is a super cool pin. They have the Avengers right there, Marvel Studios Decades pin. And this one right here without any discounts is $19.99. And then for the fig pin collectors, they do have this Hondo one right over here. They have the toy soldier from the parades. Again, these are Disney Parks exclusives, I believe. And then down here, you can see they also have the reindeer. My question is, since these are our Christmas pins, are they gonna go ahead and put these in the character warehouse? Here is what they have for the limited edition pins. I think this one's okay. The Bi-Coastal Adventures, this is a new one, so it's like a Space Mountain pin. And it shows both the one from Disneyland and Disney World. They also have a Mardi Gras pin as well. That's pretty new. And you guys move down here, you see some different new ones. So here's the Years of Dragon Lunar New Year. Moving down here, you can see some of these different series that have come out that are also limited edition. And this Pirates one too. This one's pretty cool, but those are usually pretty big. And here they also have a few vinyl figures as well. See right here, I believe this is Pirates we got with the key, and then Mickey with the train. And over here they have more limited edition ones. These are the Pixar Picnic ones. And a few over there, the Day of Peace, so those are nice. And another ride that has been closed for I think more than a year now here in Florida is the Splash Mountain ride. So of course this is going to be Tiana's Bayou Adventure, which I'm honestly super excited for. I do like the addition of those flower beds. It honestly looks very pretty. They also added in some trees as well, so it looks like the progress is moving along pretty quickly. And it honestly should probably be opening up in summer. It honestly looks like it from all the progress that's been happening recently. All right, so we are going to head on over into Adventureland to ride Pirates. For those who don't know, you could also do a little bit of like a treasure hunt here at the Pirates Adventure. And the wait time is only 25 minutes, so it's not too bad. However, it is kind of extending outside, but it's always gone a little bit quicker. All right, and now we are heading into the Pirates line. Every single one of these people had a really bad day. The crabs going for the bones. Ah! So inside the Pirates gift shop, you do have a plush Mickey Mouse as a pirate, which is cool. They also have Pluto with the key, so it's kind of like the Pirates dog. For those who don't know, they actually do have a Funko Pop of the Pirates dog. They have a flock version and a common version. The flock version was box lunch. So I just showed you guys the image right there of it. And I mean, this is just such an iconic scene from the ride. So Pirates of the Caribbean, they got the dog lounge fly here. I do believe that the bone is kind of like movable and the key is movable as well. So we usually do bring our own popcorn bucket, but you know, we left it at home. So we went ahead and bought a new one because it was like 13 bucks and you can refill it for $2. So, you know, what's Disney without some popcorn? I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, so we are currently waiting in line for the Enchanted Tiki room. Let's see what we got in there. All right, guys, so now it's nighttime. It is freezing. We're gonna go ahead on over to Tomorrowland Speedway and go and ride some cars. And the best part is it's only 5 minutes, so we do not gotta wait anything. If you're a fan of the smell of gasoline, you gotta go on Tomorrowland Speedway. It's a must. The Speedway at night looks gorgeous with the addition of Tron with all the lights and Space Mountain right next to it. Dude, this is the worst steering. Like, you can be the best driver ever, but it's like impossible to actually like.
Oh my god!
This is unfair. Like, we're definitely beating him because we're on the inner circle, you know? Right, there you go, there you go. I'm like actually not hitting. Oh no. They're catching up, they're catching up. No, go, go. Yeah.
What a view.
Do I remember driving up here? I don't remember this.
I mean, this is all under construction.
Wow, I mean, it's actually kind of nice. It's cold.
Looks nice at night. Ow!
Honestly, that was a pretty fun ride on the Tomorrowland Speedway. Again, with the addition of Tron, it just looks so much better. So many more lights and It's a good time. Wow, Tomorrowland has cleared up completely. There's no one here. Like, the Astro Orbiter barely has a line. PeopleMover used to have the line all the way out there. Now there's like barely anyone. It's like a walk-on. Space Mountain's only at a 40-minute wait, so things have cleared up pretty well. And honestly, this is why it's kind of good to go to the parks a little bit later in the afternoon. You don't really have to wait as much. And I personally enjoy Magic Kingdom at night anyways. I'm also wondering if because it's a Sunday and a lot of people are going to work tomorrow, that is why it's like it's getting really empty. It's also freezing cold, so I wonder if like a lot of the locals are heading out. But yeah, we're sticking around until a little bit later anyways. One of the worst things that happened at Magic Kingdom during that downtime was PeopleMover being closed. That really sucks, because this is the best ride in the park. You can tell she does not enjoy the cold right now. She has the hoodie on.
No, it's not even that cold.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy N39. Please keep forward.
I told her she looks like Miles Morales. So we decided to stick onto the PeopleMover for one more trip. There's like no wait right now, so we decided to just go ahead and you know, go on it. We made ourselves comfortable. We have our bag there, popcorn bucket, and our water bottle. So you know, we didn't really want to get up right away, right? All right, so we were out of Tomorrowland. We went through the heavily crowded fireworks viewing area. So after going all the way around from Tomorrowland, cutting through Main Street because Fantasyland was closed, we're now on our way to Haunted Mansion. We're still excited because we have still not seen a Hatbox Ghost. And like I said, it is nighttime, so crowds have cleared. People are going to watch the fireworks. Haunted Mansion says 25 minutes, but to be completely honest, there's like no line out here. So I really think it's gonna be less than that. Almost looks like a walk-on over here. And then here's the beautiful mansion out at night. It looks pretty great.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
Now it's time to ride my favorite ride in Magic Kingdom, the Haunted Mansion. Oh my god. Look at him. So excited to have him here.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. We'll live happily.
All right, so we got off Haunted Mansion. The Hatbox Ghost was absolutely amazing. We're now trying to make it to Big Thunder. So update, I don't think we made it off of the fireworks. I'm not sure. It could be the ride, but it's gonna get real loud here.
I got it.
All right, and we're back going through Tomorrowland. We're gonna go ride Space Mountain as our last ride of the night. It has been such a successful day to celebrate the 10K on TikTok. So what a great day at the Kingdom it was. Okay, so the wait time is 35. It's not too bad. We're just gonna wait it out to end off the night. We'll be out of here by 9, hopefully. There's a lot of people in Lightning Lane checking in though. That's a little concerning, but you know, we gotta do it. This is, you know, doing all the mountains. This would be a great way to celebrate it. All right, so that about does it for us over here at the Magic Kingdom. It was an awesome day, but I do want to talk a little bit more about us hitting 10K and what that means for the channel moving forward and for all our pages. All right, everyone, so it is a week later since we hit that 10K mark. I just want to say thank you so much for everyone that has been supporting us over on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. We've been doing this for over 1.5 years now, and I honestly just appreciate all the support that we've had for all the content that we've been making. Again, you know, this is just one of those milestones that we finally hit that we've been trying since the beginning of our journey. So again, we are super excited to have been celebrating it at Magic Kingdom. So what this means for the future of this channel is we're just going to continue going on creating some high quality content. So since we went ahead and hit that 10K mark over on TikTok, we will be doing a little bit of a long form content over there, you know, unique from what we post here on YouTube. You know, it's not going to be too long form. Like, we're going to keep it under 5 minutes or so for every video. However, if you are interested in seeing different content, you have not followed us on TikTok, I highly recommend you check it out. We do post very different content from what we have here on the channel. So again, I just want to thank every single one of you for watching this video. Please leave a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.